Hi all. In this video, we focus on reasoning. It refers to the process of using logic and evidence to arrive at a conclusion or a decision. It's a core component of human intelligence, allowing us to solve problems and make sense of the world.
Reasoning in artificial intelligence AI refers to the mechanism of using available information to generate predictions, make inferences, and draw conclusions. It involves representing data in a form that a machine can process and understand, then applying logic to arrive at a decision. Before the advent of large language models, AI's ability to reason was very different. It was primarily based on what we would call symbolic AI. But recent advances in large language models, or LLMs, are pushing beyond this. The new frontier is reasoning. This isn't just about finding patterns. It's about following a logical, multi-step thought process. Techniques like chain of thought, prompting guide an LLM to break down a complex problem into smaller, logical steps, much like a student showing their work on a math problem. This allows the AI to tackle more difficult tasks, from complex coding and math problems to medical diagnostics. Today's most advanced LLMs are even going further. They are employing tree of thought reasoning, where the model explores different potential reasoning paths, evaluates them, and then selects the most promising one. Similar to a chess engine considering its next move, this is a significant leap, moving AI from a sophisticated pattern matcher to a system that can simulate an inner monologue, think through a problem, and then present a well-reasoned solution. This is the new era of AI reasoning.
To illustrate these capabilities, we want to share a real-world example in the legal domain, specifically for reviewing contracts during a merger. Traditionally, this task is a nightmare. Human lawyers have to sift through thousands of pages of legal documents, hunting for clauses that might be affected by a change in company ownership. A simple search won't work because the language is complex and varied. The problem isn't finding a word. It's understanding the implications of the text. This is where reasoning LLMs come in. A human lawyer would break down the problem. First, they'd identify a specific clause. Then they consider how it links to clauses in other documents. And finally, they deduce the overall legal risk. An LLM, using techniques like chain of thought, mimics this exact process. It doesn't just find a change of control clause. It reasons through its cascading effects from one contract to another. This allows the AI to move beyond being a simple information retrieval tool. It becomes a strategic partner, delivering not just a list of clauses, but a coherent, step-by-step analysis of the legal risks involved. This is the difference between a tool that finds information and a tool that truly helps us reason and solve complex problems.